Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 26th of March, 2018.
Hi everybody, Happy Easter!
Alrighty, and along with Happy Easter, Happy Anniversary, Two Dogs Woodworking Wood videos. A year ago today, we released our first video, right?
Yeehaw!
A year ago today, believe it or not. Yeah, you can look back and see on that first one. Man, you've come a long
way.
Holy cow, look at that first one. Man.
It's kind of goofy.
Yeah, no, go back and think about those. Alrighty. Let's get started as we always do with who was here this weekend. Jay came by on Sunday. Daniel came by and spent some time with the Saturday with the Butterbean and went to an auction. We'll talk about that. And then on Sunday it was Jay, Daniel, Kimmy, and the Butterbean were all here. Kind of a quiet day for me. Had a little bit of a headache. We'll talk about a little bit more about that later. Alrighty. Let's see. This week in the shop, kind of a busy week. We didn't get a lot of projects done. Mom took one of her chairs apart that we bought at an auction a while back, and she's going to make a tabletop out of it. It's kind of a neat looking little thing here, but she's going to make a table, make a table for, table legs for a tabletop, I guess is what we want to say. We started on the process of getting the lumber together for Butterbean's bed. I kind of walked around, looked at what I had, got a good idea of what I want to do. A lot of this lumber that used to sit right out here behind the forge on that rack that Michael built, gosh, I don't know, what, 6-7 years ago?
No, I don't know. It's been,
built. We actually had logs sitting on there before we had the mill and everything. But anyhow, went through that and I kind of decided what I want to use. So we're going to get started on that. Probably not this week, probably not next week, but in a week or so after that, we're going to go ahead and get started, I think, on getting her bed together. So
that works.
We've got a lot of milling to do and stuff, get the wood ready. We filled 2 of these garden beds that I built last year. I built these raised beds up here on the hill where the garden was. Built them last year, we never filled them up. It was so time consuming using the lawnmower with that little garden cart and shoveling everything in there. It was a huge job, just wore me out. But with that new dirt scoop that I got at the Wilkes County Young Farmers auction, not last weekend, but the weekend before, gosh, what took us literally
half a day.
All day to do last time to get 2 beds filled up, we did in less than an hour.
Yep.
It was great. I would fill the scoop up, run down, dump it in the bed. Mama would rake it out. By the time she got done raking that out, I was back with another scoop. The only really drawback we had, it was a little wet in the garden. It was a little hard to move the tractor around in a couple of spots. But yeah, we got a lot done on that.
And that clay wasn't coming out of the bed.
That was because I dug down too deep. That was really only 2 problems, but that one with the clay was my fault. We started on Kimmy and Daniel's cedar mailbox. Now they have come up with a mailbox that they wanted all out of cedar. It's really going to be a nice looking mailbox. We're building it a little bit oversized, so in case they get some smaller packages, it'll go in there. How we're building this is we're building it out of treated plywood, kind of for the sides and the bottom. Well, I think the front and the roof and the bottom are all going to be treated plywood. Then we're using some leftover T111 for the sides. And then once we're done with that, we're going to cut some slats of cedar about this big, about so long, and we're going to just kind of skin the whole thing, almost like you would if you were building a house. You know, you'd have the exterior like the OSB or something, and then you'd skin over the top of it. That's kind of what we're going to do. I think it's really going to look nice, but we got started on that.
Cedar planking, maybe?
Yeah, no, it's going to be like cedar, almost like the house here with the board and battens.
Oh, board and batten, okay.
So, yeah, it's going to look really nice. And then Saturday we went to an auction, had a great time at the auction. That big 650, F650 did not sell, so the lady's going to take it back. It was a project that I really would have liked to have done if I'd had a full car shop and all the time in the world, but we just elected, it was just too much, and we got too much else going on. Maybe if that had been available at the beginning of our off season, might have thought about it a little bit more, but it was just too much. But we did get a couple of neat things. I'm on this tire buying thing because I bought this wheel for an old John Deere planter that I see as going to be the base of a table. It really looks nice. It's sitting right out in the door here. Then what else we bought? We bought some umbrellas. We bought a plant stand. You want to go ahead and show them some of the stuff we got? Yeah, let's go ahead and show them here.
Umbrellas.
Yeah,
so if
we had just talked about we needed some umbrellas, and these were good heavy-duty umbrellas, and I was like, holy cow, one's even UGA in the shop color, so we got that. Picked up a couple of golf clubs with it, like we needed more golf clubs to bang balls into the woods. Got this really neat, what is going to be a table. But I really like that. I kind of fell in love with that. We got a couple other things, but I really don't remember right off the top of my head what it was. Daniel, Kimmy got filing cabinet. Mama got a little neat, almost looks like a medicine cabinet to me, a medicine cabinet / file cabinet. Looks really good. She's gonna make a new tabletop for that. We picked up a couple of boxes of tools. So really kind of a lot of nice, interesting stuff. But
Kimmy and Daniel's dresser that looks awesome in Butterbean's room.
Dresser, yeah, I think she showed a picture of that on a text in the family text message
Sunday
morning. Really looked nice for what they got for it.
$10.
Really, yeah, it was great. It was a great buy. But really had a good time at the auction. Alrighty. Now let's talk about projects that were completed in the shop. Now Mama and Kimmy are really doing some neat work with this art that they're doing here. So
these are resin pours.
Yeah, these are resin pours that
we just mix up, and when we're doing something else, and then we just pour them on these tiles, and they're great for coasters and various other things. You can use them for them. You can actually put them in like your kitchen or your bathroom or any place else too.
Now these are all Kimmy's that I'm showing now.
Kimmy did those, yes.
Alrighty, and then she blinged out a couple here.
Yeah,
look at this.
she was looking for some pink pig looking things, like she needed anything else with pigs on it, as she put it. But those are cute.
Yeah, she did a really
She kind of went wild with these. That was just like leftover. Look at that. Those are cute.
And then Mama did some really neat ones here too, on some tile. But it was a different kind of tile.
Linoleum.
Yeah, linoleum type tile.
Linoleum squares.
Y'all look at this one here coming up. How's that for artsy? I'm gonna hold that up while she gets it.
That's good.
Got it? Mm-hmm. Good. All righty. So that was kind of the finished projects here in the shop this week. Again, not getting a whole lot as far as completed, but I do have to show you these right here that are budding young artists the Butterbean came up with. Now these are some Butterbean originals.
Easter bunnies.
These we expect to be highly valuable and collectible in the next couple of years. So we're going to hang on to those. Those will be worth untold fortunes in just probably no time at all.
Oh yeah.
Matter of fact, I already think they're priceless. Alrighty, and that's pretty much it for what we got completed in the shop, wasn't it?
Yeah, pretty much.
That sweet tea is really good, and it's even cold out tonight. This tea's good.
My unsweet is real good.
Some tea over there. You're drinking an unsweet tea. It's not real tea. I'm drinking the real stuff. All right, shows and markets and shows. Let's talk about them. No changes, but what? 12 more days until we go to Buckhead, Georgia for the Arts and Crafts show up there. Looking forward to that. Going to be a great time. I'm really excited about getting out there to the first show. Last year this time, we were already going to the Augusta market. I was going every other week.
Yep.
And I tell you, I really kind of excited about the opportunity to get back out doing some shows and maybe the Market 400 up there. But looking forward to that in 12 more days, and then the Market 400 third weekend of April. April's right around the corner, man. When we talk to you next, it'll already be April. All right. So yeah, looking forward to those. All right. Now, let's talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. We don't have a lot planned and in the works here. It's going to be kind of a busy week this week with Easter coming up at the end of the week, so we don't have a lot to plan to do. We're going to finish these garden raised beds up here. It's supposed to rain, I think, on Sunday right now, so we'll probably work on that Saturday. Probably take us about another hour to finish up what we got to do. We got 2 more beds to do, and then a scoop each in the 2 beds that were existing up there from last year. We want to get that done. We're going to finish moving this compost. We're taking the compost over here by the feed shed and putting it over here in these raised beds. But we got so much compost that there's no way we're going to use it all. So I'm going to move it over a little bit closer towards the feed shed and then kind of back behind it so I can open up a spot for us to go ahead and start putting these log ramps in. We got 53 logs. Is that what we counted?
Yes, something like that.
And Daniel's got a yard full. I want to get enough racks up here, hopefully by about mid-April, where we can get 100 logs in here on the property, and all of them have them all off the ground. So we're looking forward to getting that done. We're going to start cutting boards and milling boards again. We got to get the saw cranked up and get the sawmill going. We were going to do some milling last week, but the rain kind of held us off. So we're going to start on that. We're going to start cutting some boards, and we're going to try to do that more regularly, where we're cutting at least once a week. Alrighty, we're going to lay out for the trailer shelves. Now, I was supposed to do this last week. I had forgotten about the auction, but we're going to take the show trailer. We're going to make some shelves out of steel. I got steel sitting out here on the front porch. I need to cut me out some templates. We're going to do that, like I said, on Saturday. Forgot about the auction, so I was going to put it off till Sunday. And I told you I'd tell you more about the headache. Had a heck of a headache on Sunday. I don't get those headaches often, but when I do, they're pretty debilitating. And I just literally, I sat over here in the two chairs over here in the shop in the kitchen, and just sit in the two chairs probably for a good 6 to 8 hours out of the day and didn't move. So I did get that done, those templates done. I'm looking forward to get that done and do some welding. I'm kind of jonesing to do some welding. Hadn't done some welding in a while. And that's really kind of all I've got. You got anything else?
Not except Easter's coming on Sunday. If y'all want to bring dishes with you, bring some dishes. I think you're going to make a ham.
Sunday, weren't we going to do Tansey's birthday on Sunday or something?
Oh yeah, Sunday night we're doing that.
Yeah, Sunday
so we might make the ham on Saturday then.
We'll probably do the ham on Saturday and stuff.
And then Tangi's birthday, and that's about it.
Yeah, so we're going to have a slow week this week. We're not going to do a whole lot here in the shop prepping for that. But other than that, I think that's just about it, isn't it?
Getting the tables delivered.
Okay, all right. Yeah, we got to drop those tables off. All righty. Well, I do think that's about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.
Hi everybody. Happy Easter.
Can you do a sound check? Yep, here's Maggie. Dunka, 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 dog. There she is.